Hi there, folks. Welcome to Real Estate Watch. I'm your host, Sarah Evans, sales representative at RE/MAX Eastern. And today we're with Dave Griffin. Dave is a mortgage broker with Dominion Lending Centers. And I have a few questions for you, Dave, especially regarding first-time home buyers. We like to send our clients to get a pre-approval. And what will help expedite the process?
If the client can bring in their pay stub, their previous year's T4s, so the last 2 years is what we like to see, as well as their notice of assessments from the government, that helps tremendously.
Okay, perfect. So if you're going out, that's part of the pre-approval. And then when we do an offer, there's always a condition of financing. And I've had a lot of people ask, Sarah, why would we put that condition in? I have my pre-approval. I already know what I can spend. Dave, what's the difference? Why do we need to have that condition in?
The difference between the pre-approval and the actual approval is the pre-approval stage is just the bank approving the client, their credit, and their worthiness to qualify for the loan. The actual approval stage is where the bank will do the full underwrite, and that includes approving the actual house that the client is purchasing.
Okay. So sometimes there would be an appraisal, perhaps, that would entail getting financing approved, right? So
potentially, yeah.
Potentially, right?
Yeah.
Depending on the house.
On the house, the
so
situation.
It does matter. We need to bring forward the house that you're potentially going to be purchasing, and that's going to hinder the financing as well. Now, Dave, if someone has maybe has bad luck getting financing, what can be done?
That actually we see quite often. A lot of times the customer will walk into their bank, typically, and their bank may turn them down for whatever reason. So us as mortgage brokers, we actually deal with everybody. So that consumer might not actually realize that their file might get approved at a different bank, but they would never discover otherwise without dealing with a mortgage broker. So we can shop that application with as many institutions as need be to help facilitate the financing.
That's fantastic. Dave, thank you so much for your time. Thanks for being with us
Thanks
today. And we'll see you next time on Real Estate Watch.
Real Estate Watch is brought to you by Sarah Evans, sales representative for RE/MAX Eastern Realty Inc., a hometown tradition.